To prevent you from becoming sick, you have to take HIV inhibitors. These are drugs that prevent the virus from replicating itself. It is not yet possible to completely eliminate the virus. Therefore, you have to keep taking this medication your whole life. HIV inhibitors ensure that no new HIV particles can be made. There are 4 different groups of HIV inhibitors that all counteract the virus in their own way. 1. There are drugs that prevent the HIV particle from entering the CD4 cell. 2. If the HIV particle has entered the cell, there are drugs that prevent the viral RNA from being converted into DNA. 3. If RNA has been converted into DNA, there are drugs that prevent the DNA copy from being integrated into the DNA of the CD4 cell. 4. There are also drugs that prevent the building blocks of the new HIV particles from being cut into smaller pieces. The HIV particles then cannot infect new CD4 cells. Several types of HIV inhibitors are used at the same time in the treatment of HIV. Taking these medications simultaneously prevents the virus from replicating itself further. They also reinforce each other's effect. This combination therapy is called CART, combination antiretroviral therapy. It is very important that you always take your medication and take it at regular intervals. This prevents the virus from replicating itself. It also prevents the virus from changing and therefore becoming resistant to certain HIV-inhibiting drugs. If this does happen, you then have to take another combination. However, it is important to note that you can only switch to a different combination a small number of times. Taking your medication regularly is therefore extremely important. The HIV inhibitors work well, but unfortunately they do cause side effects. Whether you experience side effects, when and to what extent, varies from person to person.